Running a good meeting is never easy. The content you need for a good meeting is spread out across a bunch of different tools. The meeting invite in the calendar has the agenda topics. Notes from the previous meeting are on an email. The tasks that you've assigned in a previous meeting are in a project management app. You scramble through all of these different apps at the last minute, but let's face it, it's nearly impossible to find when you need it the most, during the meeting. That's where Loopin comes in. Loopin is an AI assistant for your meetings to help you through all the stages before, during, and after the meeting. Let's take a look at how it works. You sign into Loopin using your Google Workspace account. Once you're logged in, Loopin will show you a list of all the meetings that you have today. For each of the meetings, you can collaborate with other meeting attendees to add talking points for the meeting. When it's time, you'll get a notification to join the meeting in a single click. Any previous notes or action items are pulled in automatically from all the relevant meetings, so you can easily refer to them without going anywhere else. But here's the best part. Loopin comes with the ability to record and summarize meeting minutes, so you can focus on the conversation at hand. It's quite simple. All you do is hit this record button. You can pause or end recording when you want to generate the meeting summary. Meeting summaries are neatly formatted into multiple sections: decisions, updates, and next steps. You can view them in Loopin's web app or the extension. You can edit these notes and send them to your team directly from Loopin to keep up with the meeting momentum. Loopin fits seamlessly in your meeting workflow. I hope you enjoy using Loopin. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below or email us on support@loopinhq.com. Thanks.